guys.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yeah. Look at this dude.
Well, today we're going to be taking the Z to go get the tires changed out since after I did that burnout. These are the tires. Don't mind the mess. That Kings.
Get your vlog on?
Yep.
There you go.
That's the spirit, huh?
Man, that's just...
What? Oh, it's the other one. Maybe. We're gonna get this good meal in.
Good meal.
Thanks to you. Even though I always pay. This is what you do with me with the camera.
You're really a little vlogger now.
Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. So we just got back from Cane's. Got the tires put on. Sheesh.
You're just copying my vlogs now. Hey, watch out.
Alright, so we're gonna get these zero taillights installed. Yep. He's gonna do all the work. And I just can't wait to see what the finish looks like.
He say, I don't help with anything, I never get anything. Well, who got you these lights?
We're not going to tell the whole story on that.
Tell this whole story, because I got them. So, I got them.
You help when you want to help.
Huh?
You help when you want to help.
No.
Buddy old pal.
Nope.
Seems pretty easy to me, so.
Yeah, but I say, it seems pretty straightforward.
But where's the instructions? Because you're not a mechanic.
Yeah, yeah. It seems pretty straightforward to my eyes.
Don't drop my light.
Just drop my light.
Excuse my trunk.
Yeah, your trunk is dirty and filthy.
I don't live in my car, I promise. Basically, we just take those screws out first.
Yeah, you gonna. Imagine I didn't need to take this off.
I know, loser.
So after you take the 4 bolts off, pretty much, man, you just pull the gray part off from Renegade off of American Muscle Man or whatever. But these are plug and play. Other things we're talking about, wiring and all that stuff. First step you're going to do is unhook this for the lights. Now, if you're wondering, should you turn off your battery or not? They didn't say do it, so just pretty much unplug this, and then you're going to
Your big head is in the way.
Then you're going to loosen all 3 of the bolts right there. And I'm pretty sure it's probably like a 10mm. Shit out. Right, I think we just pull it out.
Yeah, it's coming out.
Alright, this little hole right here, it's a black piece that you just push pop
out.
Yeah, pop out like a little pop ring. Man, if I'm doing it, anyone could do it, dude. So pretty much, man, that's it, and we'll just show you the after result after, baby. Hook this back into there, and
put the bolts back on.
Yep, put the bolts back on, and that's pretty much it.
We'll pretty much just do the same thing on this side.
Yep.
It wasn't a bad install.
Nah, fairly simple if I do say so myself.
There you go.
Okay.
Or it's not going to look right. Like right now. There you go. You should hear a big click. Alright, there you guys have it. Install done. These are pretty nice. Sheesh. Loser. Here, my keys. Let me know what you think I should put as my license plate, because I don't know, and he's no help because he doesn't want me to have one.
Dude, Margo 50.
Something that has to, it can't be Margo 50 because it looks like Margo 50, so no. But give me some suggestions down in the comments below. Pretty productive day we had, but thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. We're going to see.